In this video, I want to discuss why do buyers back out at the last minute. The reason I wanted to shoot this video is because in a lot of markets, the percentage is as high as 30% of buyers canceling deals before they go to closing. And since buyers cancel deals, homes end up selling for less. So I want to go over 3 points to prevent this. My first point that I want to make as to why buyers cancel deals is because of buyer remorse. Now, what exactly is that? That basically is a buyer that is not 100% committed to making a purchase. And as a listing agent myself for the last 19 years, I'm going to tell you how to prevent that. And number one is you need to hire an experienced listing agent that makes sure that all buyers that come in on your property are vetted properly, such as pre-approval, how long have they been seeing homes, how committed are they, what kind of down payment money are they putting down. So these are just a few things that can prevent buyer remorse. But if you have any further questions, you can always reach out to me and we can discuss them privately. And my key point number 2 as to why buyers cancel most deals is because of inspection reasons. This is the reason why for the past 19 years, I have urged my sellers to do pre-sale home inspections. And the reason why pre-sale home inspections is so important is because we get to see what is wrong with your property. Most sellers will say to me, well, John, isn't that the responsibility of the buyer? Yes, it is. But that is why most deals fall apart, is because of inspection issues. So doing pre-sale inspections, learning about your home, going over that with the home inspector, sitting down with your listing agent before any buyer sees the report will make your deal stick as high as 98%. And my key point number 3 is drawn out negotiations. You don't want that. That is one of the reasons why most deals fail, is because a buyer is dragging their feet with negotiations. So when you list your property, you want to make sure that number 1, you price it right. Number 2, you want to make sure you do pre-sale inspections, because the longer the negotiation period, the more chances a buyer will walk away. So there you have it, my top 3 things as to why buyers cancel most deals. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or Michelle. There is never any cost or obligation. We are here to earn your trust. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.